Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you the map and the lambda function. So map is basically a function which takes a sequence of values, applies it on all the elements and then give you the output. Alright, so what we want to do is with the help of the map function, so here we have some function, some numbers, I'll just go and execute that, and what we will do is we will apply an operation with the help of the map function on each of the element and give you each of the element back. That means the list output with the specified operation. So very simple, what we want to do is simply want to create the double of these number. That means when there is 2, then 2 plus 2, when there is 4, 4 plus 4. So just add another same value to this. Alright, so for now we will for this we will create the object double. To store its value we will write the map function, and within the map we will say lambda x colon x plus x comma and pass the third argument, this argument which is some number. So what it is doing is it is looking at this some number, passing it to the x, and then the operation that we are doing is simply adding the same value to itself. Alright, let's go ahead and execute that. If I write double, you will see that it's an output of map at some memory location, but since map gives you back the list output, I will simply say list double and you will get the double 4, 8, 12 and 16. Alright, after that let's see the something related to string. So what I'll do is I will say string and I will say my Python, right? And what we want to do is let's say we want to just capitalize this with the help of map and lambda and return then each of the value, right? So we'll say cap, we'll create one object which is cap, specify map, specify lambda x colon, and then what we want to do with this. So str dot capitalize, or I would say capitalize will make the first letter as capitalized. So what we'll do is we'll use upper to convert all the values into the upper and specify x, and after that strings. Alright, should be good. If I try to enter that, again it's a map object, so what we need to do is use list, right? And now I have my Python. So basically I wanted to show you both numerical as well as the string operation that you can do. The only difference is from the previous video to this video is that now with the help of the list we are performing the operation on the entire list and then returning it back in a list format, whether it's a number or it's a string. So that's about it, how you can use the map and lambda function together to process your lists. And we will see in future video about how we can even process the other type of objects like the dictionaries and all.